Good morning and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. Today we're going to take a look at the reasons why Parker-Hannifin might rise 17% over the next few months. And in particular, we're going to take a look at what the recent signals have been in this name. So let's begin by taking a look at the overview of Parker-Hannifin, and you're going to see that actually not too long ago, Toggle was quite bearish on the name. In fact, it highlighted that on a valuation basis that the name was possibly overvalued. But since then, the name has corrected quite a lot. And so the question now is the technical picture good enough to support a possible bullish stance on this name? Looking at the analysis, we're going to take a look to see what the details are, and Toggle, as always, is telling us that, look, there have been 17 similar patterns where you've had technical indicators turning bullish for this, and subsequently you would have had a 17% rise, which in this case actually shows that it would have been possibly much sooner than 6 months and would have taken the stock to about 330.12. Again, the important thing is that the price stays within this confidence interval and not dip below 256.43. If it does, then the odds that this is still the right analog would be substantially diminished. Now, why it might move, we take a look at this and you can see that actually this is a combination of RSI and the string of positive days that Parker-Hannifin had broken, and so the sell-off might have gone a little bit too far, which is what Toggle is suggesting in this case might be a good entry point to consider adding or initiating a position in this. Now, going back to this, you can see that the patterns go back more than 20 years in this case. Now, past performance also quite interesting. It's showing us that the skew is really meaningful towards the positive side. In fact, in many cases, the subsequent 6-month return was actually well in excess of 30%. The more important thing is that the risk reward looks compelling. So this is the kind of one-sided risk that Toggle tries to highlight, which is the downside is well contained, probably more like 5% rather than even 10%. So easily a 3-to-1 kind of skew in terms of the risk reward. This is as much as we have to say about Parker-Hannifin today. In the daily brief today, we discussed a couple of very topical issues on the reflation trade. So those of you who subscribe to the daily brief should already have it in your mailboxes. Those who don't, go check us out on toggle.global and you can sign up there and receive it on a daily basis, a dose of market relevant content. Otherwise, if you'd like to see more of these insights, like this video or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do them every market trading day just to help everyday equity trader break down the barrier between the data that exists out there and what it actually means for the stocks that we're trading. So this is the whole mission of Toggle, and hopefully this was useful in that respect. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon.